Hey, Abby Rose, it's time for bed.
No, Mom.
It's already 9 o'clock, girlfriend. It's time. It's time for you to go and lay down.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's already nighttime. It's time to go.
Fine. Well,
I love you and good night. Good night, Abby Rose. Sleep tight and don't let the bed bugs bite. Good night.
it's party time. Oh yeah, boom bear. Oh yeah, boom bear. Oh. Okay, snack. Candy. Candy. Mommy coming.
Abby Rose? I could have sworn I heard somebody say party time, but it looks like she's asleep. Oh well, I guess I was hearing things. Maybe it was just the TV. All right, she's sound asleep.
Oh yeah, it's party time again. Oh yeah, let's do slime. My slime. Dude, look at this. Like, oh my god. I got it from Chucky T. Do y'all like Chucky T? Comment down below. And dip like the thumbs up you like Chucky T. Oh my gosh, slime. This is from Chucky T. I have a lot of stuff. I have like 1,022. That's how many I have. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bye. Oh my god. Now I'm sleepy.
Boy, I could have sworn I heard some noise coming from this room. Well, looks like she's sound asleep. Good night.